G'day, Alistair here, and in this video we are going to swap out, let's do it, that security camera up there. So I'm going to take this down and we're going to put a new one in, and that is an RLC-810A, and we're going to replace it with a RLC-510, so it's a Reolink camera. These 810s have been a complete joy in my life. I have 3 of them and they've never worked. So anyway, let's bring this pole down and we shall swap the camera. Okay, this might get loud. So I'm just going to loosen this off so that it moves it more freely. And I can move it out of the way. Oh, I should probably unplug it first. So it's a weather sealed thing for the network cable. And I need to do this one first. There we go. So unscrew this. Okay, I can undo that. I need to pull this out. And I think this is designed for Cat 5, and this is a Cat 6 cable, which is a bit thicker. So it makes it a bit harder to move. Okay, and I can disconnect that. And now, let's remove some screws. Okay, and last one. Oh, hello friend. Okay, so rather large spider. So that one is not poisonous, but they can do a nasty bite apparently. I've never been bitten by one, and I never intend to. So let's feed these ones through first. Big one. Okay. 1, 2, 3 screws. And I am just going to put him. He's gone rather deep inside there. I'm just going to put him to the side. And think about him. I'm going to screw some of the spider webs. So this is my Unifier mesh router, and those antennae are in the right position. So this allows me to have Wi-Fi on my driveway. The driveway is about 100 meters long, so it doesn't quite reach the end. My intention is to put another one at the other end of the driveway when I get round to, well, I'm going to put another couple of cameras down the other end of the driveway. So, right, here we go. Let's, is that appropriate? Kind of want the cable hole pointing down, so normally the cable can go through there, but we're not worried about that. And I'm just going to have it pointing down so rain doesn't get into it. Okay, I'll position this roughly, so see if I put it up, one point this way a little bit, not too much. So we'll try that. Okay, let's get you plugged back in. Yep, and I know what's gone wrong. There's a little rubber O-ring that So on the old camera, pull that O-ring off. Okay. Let's seal that. Okay, so that camera should now be going. Okay, let's put this thing back up, and then we'll probably have to adjust the camera position a bit, but we'll see how we go. Okay, done. Here we are from the camera's perspective. I'm just loading the Blue Iris app on my phone so I can adjust where the camera is pointing. This is a first pass. I'll probably have another go at framing it a bit later. Thanks for watching this video, and I do need to apologize for both the audio and video quality. My microphone kept disconnecting, and I was using the front-facing camera of my phone, so I could at least see what I was doing. I will do a separate video on the problems I've been having with the RLC-810As, so keep an eye out for that video. I look forward to seeing you in a future video. I'm Alistair Christie.